Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In the last videos I have drawn V from BTS with ballpoint pen and RM with chocolate pencils, and today I'm going to be drawing Jin from BTS with chocolate pencils, and this video and this drawing is going to be fantastic, so sit back and enjoy. And after watching this video, please show some love and support for my channel as well as for this video. But before all of these, enjoy the video my friends. And here's the drawing my friends. I hope you liked it, and if so, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, relatives, family and the whole army. Rest of the members will be drawn in upcoming weeks, so make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll get a notification. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, this is Vishwa.